Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a 1968 Chevelle right here. It's been body off the frame restoration. There's only 1,700 miles since it's been completely restored. There's a 420 horsepower crate 350, turbo 400 automatic. It's got the F41 suspension. It's got new vintage air system, bucket seats, console. This checks a lot of boxes, and it's going to be priced very reasonably. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find the price on this one and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. We also have complete descriptions and over 100 pictures to look at. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, join me, let's go for a spin in a 68 Chevelle. Yeah, body off the frame. And this car is all new metal. The floor pan is, I think it's a one-piece floor pan. The new fenders, doors, quarters, there's no rust in this car. So underneath's all clean metal, it's painted black. Like I said, the body was removed from the chassis. Chassis was all cleaned and prepped and painted. All the suspension's rebuilt. Ball joints, bushings, springs, you name it. It's got heavy-duty sway bars, has box control arms in the back. When we bought the car, in our opinion, it sat up too high. I sent this to a front-end shop. I think they replaced the springs. They did an alignment, so it was just in their shop. So I'm sure the front end is all, hunky-dory, or if there was something wrong, they would have told me. And the whole bottom of the motor looks like it's chrome. The oil pan, the flywheel cover, the transmission pan is all chrome. Fuel pump is chrome. It has a mini high-torque starter. It has a custom pipes exhaust system. It's a stainless steel exhaust system with an X pipe in the middle. Real nice system. New fuel system. The brakes have all been redone. I think the emergency brake cables look new. It has disc brakes in the front. It has a 342 10-bolt posi in the back with an aluminum cover. So it's a real nice car underneath. I drove this car about 30 miles myself, and really nice driving car. I had no issues with it. Body's beautiful. Like I said, it's all metal. It's painted a PPG Grecian green, they call it. The metal flake is really sharp. Kind of looks like a green chrome as it's going around and the light's hitting it. But it's all smooth, clean metal. I did notice there's a couple chips on the edge of the other door. Right here, for some reason, there's some chips on the corners here. Actually, there's a couple more. So there are a couple chips that have been touched up. The stripes are painted on smooth to the touch. The antenna looks new. The grills look new. The bumper, I'm sure, has been re-chromed. A lot of what's up here looks real new and nice. The emblem looks nice. The glass is all new except the rear window. This is the original window, and it's actually very nice, but side windows are all new in the windshield. New mirrors, new handles. They're 15x8 Corvette rally wheels, BF Goodrich tires. Does have white letters on the other side if you wanted to flip them around. It's painted gloss black along the bottom. And again, the body is all smooth. There's no rust or bubbles. Vinyl top is new. Looks like all the stainless trim has been replaced. Tail lights, I like the 68 tail lights. All this has been replaced. This has got the blacked out like the SS would have, and it has SS emblem. It's got a matching new rally wheel and tire for a spare. It's all metal. It's spatter painted. It looks like it has a new jack. This is painted all nicely. New weather strip, new latch. It has 650 watt stereo system in there. There's an amplifier, a couple speakers. See how nice the glass fit. The whole interior is redone. I'm looking at a new door panel, armrest, the chrome plate behind the armrest, the handles, the cranks, the emblems, the lock. The seats are reupholstered. Feels like new cushion. All new trim on the seats. It has the SS shifter, horseshoe shifter on the floor with the console. New emblems. It says 396 on the marker lights there. This is a year one crate motor. It's a 350 making 420 horsepower. It has an aluminum intake, big Holley dual feed carb, a custom dual snorkel Spectre air cleaner, new alternator, new water pump, serpentine belt system, new wiper motor, new power brake booster and master cylinder, a set of coated headers, HEI ignition, dual electric fans, a new battery, looks like all new wiring. So pretty much everything looks new in there. It's got new seat belts front and back. Really nice dash. All the metals gloss black. Full set of custom gauges. Actually, the whole instrument panel is a custom instrument panel with a nice set of gauges. Has a retro stereo in there. Real cool looking steering wheel on a polished tilt column. You have the vent knobs, the carpet, the floor mats, headliner, visors, the mirror. All of it looks new. It's got the plastic vents up here. It's got the rubber. Yeah, all new heat and air system. Looks like the horns are new. Looks like the hose to the washer actually is just disconnected, sitting right here. Let me fix that for you. There we go. Why don't I fire it up? Even the brackets that hold the seat are new. They might be new seats. Yeah, new cushions. They feel like new. You get the right key in here and we'll be good to go. Oh, there's more keys hiding there. I didn't see them. Oh, isn't that idle sweet? That's perfect. That's very snappy. Nice sounding idle. Couple minor wrinkles in the headliner. Little bit of pitting on the inside of this that you don't see when the door is closed. So it's not a perfect car, but it's a really nice car. Checks a lot of boxes. Frame off restored. Powerful motor. Air conditioning. Rebuilt suspension. When they put a fifth matching wheel in there, that means they're not cutting corners. A cheapskate will find an old bald tire and an old rusty rim, if anything at all, to throw in there. Goose it one more time. Yeah, even the key buzzer works. It's a pretty hot car right here. Like I said, it's got a lot going for it. Only 1,700 miles on it since it's been complete body off frame restoration. Visit volocars.com. That's where you can get in touch with the salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of this car. If you have specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. They will also be glad to help you with the financing, delivery, paperwork. They'll make it all easy for you. If you just enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you click on that bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.